One thing I love is a hotel or resort accommodation that feels like a home away from home. So let's get into a quick review of one of my favorite places to stay, which is this one bedroom oceanfront suite that makes you feel like you're just at home. So we have this kitchen area that is a full kitchen. It has a dishwasher, a stove or microwave. It has a full-size refrigerator. It has utensils, plates and cups and everything you would need to feel like you're at home. You have a eat-in counter with 2 bar stools. You have a closet there that you can put extra clothes or luggage. You have a dining room table that seats 6. Then you have this large living room area that has a sofa that is actually a sofa bed, that large ottoman, 2 chairs. You have these expansive windows, almost floor to ceiling, that overlook the beautiful scenery outside. You have a television and then this long hallway, which I love because it really gave the feel of being at home. Then you have this bathroom, which you can enter on 2 sides, double sinks. You have a tub with spa jets, spa products, shampoo, conditioners, and soap or shower gel. You have a shower there. And then you also have this walk-in glass shower. Yes, in this one bathroom, there are 2 separate shower areas. So not 2 shower heads in one spot, but 2 separate shower areas, which definitely came in handy. Full-length mirror in the bathroom. Then you can go out the bathroom into the bedroom. And I like the size of this bedroom. It was quaint, but it was perfect being that the other areas of the house were large. You have side tables on either side of the bed. I like that the backboard was not cloth, for those who know. And then you also had this sliding door balcony with 2 chairs and a table. Window in the bedroom, actually 2 windows in the bedroom. And a safe in the closet. There was a walk-in closet, or not a walk-in, but just a good sized closet as well with a safe in there. So it's like the perfect accommodation to make you feel like a home away from home. I felt so comfortable there and didn't want to leave. So when people say that the hotel or resort accommodation or room doesn't matter, don't believe them. It definitely does, especially if you want to be comfortable and feel like you're at home.